In this video, I want to show an Enasys user how to export asset history into Excel. So we have an ability to export all of the history of a given asset or a group of assets into Excel through our export function, which is accessed through the icon with a cloud with an arrow pointing down. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to give me three choices. M is for movement history, C is for the current status, and H is for regular history. So I'm going to go to history and click on it, and I get a filter screen. Here I can filter on a given set of assets or a particular asset. And these, some of these fields are case sensitive. So I'm going to use the asset name, which is a case sensitive field. And I'm going to click on the asset Tom asset 123. I'm going to click the query button, and it's going to bring back the results. And here you can see there was a number of history transactions for that particular asset. And if I scroll all the way over to the right and keep on going, you can see every single field that we have in our database and the status fields, including some of the date and time fields, the barcode value, the RFID value, and all the dates it occurred on and the type of events it is. So that's the data that I want. In order to bring this down to Excel, up at the top, I'm going to click on the little download icon as well. Click on that, say Excel, please. And when I do that, it's going to bring that, open up Excel, and it's going to bring that data in exactly the way you've seen it here in the report results. So there it is. I have all my data. It's in Excel, and every one of those fields are there for you to use. So that is how you export an asset history values into Excel. Thanks for watching.